Problem and solution is when you have an issue that you want to solve, or you have something that needs to be fixed, and the solution is how it is fixed. Just like in our everyday lives, we have issues that may occur or may come up. We don't want to allow them to continue being an issue. We want to solve them. So some of the key words or the signal words that you will hear in order to identify a problem and solution in a text are consequently, thereby, therefore, leads to, as a result, and because of. Some other signal words that let us know that we are looking at a problem and solution are solution and problem. In your text, the author will sometimes flat out tell you, this is the problem. And then they will tell you, this is the solution. So it is very explicit. Due to, this leads to, issue, and sense. I think those are the only ones that weren't mentioned on the last anchor chart. And again, these keywords or these key phrases help us to identify that we are looking at a problem and solution. And of course, we need an example. Here we have a paragraph about soccer. Professional soccer players head the ball thousands of times during their careers. I think we can already identify the problem here. Doctors are unsure whether players that repeatedly head the ball are more susceptible to later head injuries. Therefore, we have a key word there, or a signal word. Therefore, many parents and coaches are choosing to take steps to protect their young soccer players. What are some possible protections? Another way that they could have stated this is, what are some possible solutions? Make sure children learn how to properly head the ball. Use the appropriate size ball for the age of the players. Small balls are less likely to cause injuries. Make a no heading rule for the young players. So our problem here is that these players that head the ball may be more susceptible to later head injuries. This means that they are, or they may be, more likely to get head injuries. And then here, in our bullet points, they list 3 possible solutions to avoid this problem, the head injury problem. Notice that we're given one problem, but 3 different solutions. We could have 2 problems that share the same solution, or we can have one problem with a whole list of solutions. On the next slide, you are going to sort the problems in one column and the solutions in another column. You are also going to pair the problems and solutions together.